नो रीजन जस्ट इंडिया है, ये इंडिया है, दिस इज द इंडिया। गाड़ियों के हॉर्न मारने इनको, बस काम नहीं करना। Tuesday, December 15th. Just got done with the college classes. It is 12:35 right now, and I'm heading out with Mr. Jindal to get some stuff for the market. Not some stuff, actually some important stuff. He'll tell you about it. After that, I have to go get my car vacuum cleaned and then come back and move on for the day.
हेलो, क्या बोलता है शाम?
As you drive, can you quickly tell my audience what is the agenda for right now? You have 10 seconds. Go.
So the agenda was, if you remember,
You have 10 seconds. Go again.
we will get a PC from Dell and then we will get a TP-Link Wi-Fi extender.
As simple as that. SU नंबर क्या है?
112.
112. ये कौन सा SU है? All right. So after searching for 15 minutes,
50 है बस.
यार you have to exaggerate ना, वरना कंटेंट नहीं मिलेगा. We are at Parametrics. Excuse me. Can you please sit there? Social distancing. Be 1 foot away. I don't want coronavirus. Please. Please shift off.
ये तो ऐड करेगा.
It is on me. I am the editor.
You are the editor. I'll sue you. Copyright strike.
I am not using your content, bro. किस तरह से? Oh, by the content. Go check out the channel CJ Tech Bits. I'm linking it in description along with some video here. Go check it out if you want 1 minute or 2 minute tech reviews. The quickest tech reviews on YouTube, CJ Tech Bits. Go check him out. Subscribe to him. All right, so we have
The next stop is,
the computer with us. Now we need to get हो गया सारा सामान आज का.
yes.
चलो फिर क्या प्लान है?
घर चलते हैं या खाना कुछ खाना है? अगर कुछ पीना तो बता.
नहीं यार, खाना तो नहीं है कुछ, बिकॉज हमने वीकडेज पे जंक छोड़ दिया.
ये भी अच्छी बात है, पतले हो जाओगे.
हाँ, एक्सरसाइज तो करनी रहे, अब कुछ तो आस होनी चाहिए पतले होने की.
A few moments later.
See you.
Okay, bye. See you. नमस्ते आंटी. Okay, so now I am back on the driver's seat. I need to visit my same friend Jindal for setting up his shot. He is shooting one video for his channel, and then I'm going to get this car cleaned. It is a mess.
अच्छा, मेरे को बताओ, मैंने सोचा लिंक शेयर कर रहे हो.
Okay, so if you want to check out car cleaning in Panchkula, come to Ride and Shine, Sector 11, SU number,
63 backside.
backside of
IDFC Bank.
IDFC Bank, backside, Ride and Shine.
Right.
You see, it sometimes sounds weird and weird only to vlog in public and to carry this tripod and talk to a camera. But as Casey Neistat says,
Oh, it's weird.
But you just gotta own
You
it.
gotta
right?
own it.
so yeah, I'm still at the vacuuming. You see, I do not know how to make these videos. I do not know how to vlog. I'm not doing these videos for likes or views or numbers. I know that is the main, that should be the main intention if you're trying to figure it out on a social media space. I'm just doing this to find my own voice, to find my own style. So pardon me if you find something repetitive or you find something boring a particular day. Just understand that I am also trying to figure it out while doing this. I'm just trying to make something watchable and just put it out. Thank you. सॉरी यार, थोड़ा सा करना पड़ता है. ओहो. All right, so we have